오늘도 tripping, I'm tripping, I'm tripping. 너란 빛을 찾아 거울 속에 비친 난 마치 길을 잃은 것처럼 stuck in the dark.
Hello everyone, my name is Sky. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do something really fun and challenging. Sorry sa fun and challenging. Bakit? Dahil ngayon ay manghaharana tayo sa walkie-talkie. Hello, manghaharana daw, singer yarn. So, kung hindi nyo alam kung ano yung walkie-talkie, walkie-talkie is a mobile application. You can download it sa Play Store. And, from the term itself, walkie-talkie, walkie-talkie. So, you can talk to people across the globe. So, gumagamit ng walkie-talkie para siyang radyo na merong station. Tapos, lipat-lipat ka na station. Tapos, sasali ka dun and you can talk to other people. And yun ang gagawin natin ngayon. Bakit? Kasi wala lang. Gusto ko lang. Char. Tagal ko na kasing walang vlog kaya kung ano-ano lang ginagawa ko. Anyways, yun. Manghaharana tayo sa kanila. Hindi ako singer. Pakanta-kanta lang ganun. So, huwag kayo masyado mag-expect. So, dalawa lang naman yung kakantahin natin. Kapag English gusto nila, 2002 by Anne-Marie. And yung sinulat kong Tagalog version ng I Like You and You'll Know It. Okay. Lagi na lang ganun yung kinakanta ko kasi yun lang yung alam ko. Charot. Anyways, let's start na. Kinakabahan ako dahil baka kung anong sabihin nila sa akin. And, yeah, that's the challenge. Sana magustuhan nila. So, this is, ito yun. Ito kasi yun. Ganyan. But before tayo maharana, pakinggan muna natin kung ano yung ginagawa dito. Magiging tinitingnan ko. Let's go! Sali tayo.
But you didn't know what you name it. But the thing they put it in your arm. Wait, that's in the shot? Yeah. I didn't think.
Nag-usap sila tungkol sa vaccine. Hindi ko lang kung taga-saan sila, pero taga-ibang. Wow, may ad.
They drugged him just like that. You think there's and now?
May pamubi sila. Hi!
Hi!
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Hi! Hello, I'm from the Philippines. Is it okay if I sing for you guys?
Yes,
Here it is. I'm really nervous right now. Wait a minute. I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this, so it's never been better than the summer of 2002. We were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we are in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and never. Well, I guess that was true. Ooh. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the wood on an old Mustang, where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. And it went like this, say oops, I got that and I'm promise singing bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me baby one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs on the day we fell in love. Thank you.
Your voice is good.
Thank you. Actually, I'm filming a vlog right now. Your voice are on cameras. Can you say hi?
Hi.
How was the song? I'm nervous right now, actually.
And again, we're nervous too.
Bye guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a great day.
Have a great day. Kinabahan ako naman, mali-mali yung lyrics ko. Bahala na kayo kinakapag-edit ko. Ano ba yan? Unang usap from Indonesia na ano naman yung English ko doon. Okay. May nagliligawan na dito. Ano? Kakantahan ba natin sila? Istorbohin ba natin? Hi! Hello, where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Oh, really? Hello po. Hello. Hello po. Actually, nag-film ako ngayon ng vlog. Can you say hi to the camera?
I heard you.
Hello, hello. Is it okay if I sing for you? Char, kala mo singer.
Sure.
Alam mo ba yung ano, yung I like you and you know it. Alam mo ba yun?
Hindi po, sorry.
Yung sa ano, yung sa I Love So Beautiful na kanta.
Sige, continue mo nga.
Yun, pero ano, nagsulat ako ng Tagalog version. So, yun yung kantahin ko ngayon. Pasensya ka na sa boses ko. Pa-etchos lang to. Okay, sige. Unang araw pa lang nang ikaw ay aking makita, alam ko na agad na may kandang sa iyong mata, na biglang dumaloy dito sa puso ko. Parang bumakal ang ikot ng mundo. Matapos ang ilang araw ay aking napagtanto, na parang hindi lang paghanga ang nadarama ko. Hindi ka lang basta kaklasit kaibigan, hindi kita gusto dahil mahal kita.
Yes, queen! Yes!
Gagawin ko ang lahat, ikaw lang sumaya sa aking piling. Wala nang makakapigil pa sa aking damdamin. Para sa'yo aking giliw, wala nang imposible sa aking nagmamahal sa'yo. O giliw, kahit pa ang niebe na iyong hiling, ibibigay ko sa'yo. Mahal kita. That's it! Thank you. Ala, thank you po.
Ano po yan? Nakiti po.
Pa?
Para sa ano po, Wanty.
Ay, yes po, sa YT. Sa YT yung finifilm ko ngayong...
Anong channel?
Ano? Oh my
Anong
gosh.
channel?
Ano po, Skylophilia.
Okay.
Okay.
Search ko.
So, pag nakita niyo po, at pa-subscribe na lang pag may time kayo. Thank you, thank you. Punta na po ako sa ibang station.
Okay.
Thank you for listening. Bye-bye. Hi.
Hi!
Hi, where are you guys from?
Philippines.
Po.
Yeah. Hi!
Hi, I'm also from the Philippines. I'm actually filming a vlog right now. Is it okay to say hi to the camera?
Hi!
Hi, hi. Ano po pangalan niya?
Aljoy po.
Aljur?
A-L-J-O-Y. Aljoy.
Aljoy. Okay. Ang cute naman ng pangalan mo. Is it okay if I sing a song?
Opo.
Ang content ka na. Okay, so, alam mo ba yung I Like You and You'll Know It? Yung sa, I Love So Beautiful?
I know that po.
Alam mo yun? Yung nakakantahin ko, pero I wrote a Tagalog version. So, yun. Kinakabahan ako. So, yun. Haharanahin ko lang kayo ng very quick. Huwag kayo masyadong mag-expect, ha? Hindi ako magaling kumanta. Okay, wait lang, ha?
Opo.
1, 2, 3, go. Unang araw pa lang nang ikaw ay aking makita, alam ko na agad na may ginang sa iyong mata, na biglang dumaloy dito sa puso ko. Parang bumakal ang ikot ng mundo. Matapos ang ilang araw, bakit may Gagawin ko ang lahat, ikaw lang sumaya sa aking piling. Wala nang makakapigil pa sa aking damdamin. Para sa'yo aking giliw, wala nang imposible sa aking nagmamahal sa'yo. O giliw, kahit pa ang niebe na iyong hiling, ibibigay ko sa'yo. Mahal kita. Yun lang, thank you. Thank you po. Thank you, thank you.
Ganun po sa ate.
Ay, thank you po, ate. Salamat po. Salamat. Bye-bye. Say bye to the camera. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you, thank you.
Bye.
Anyone like to say, oops, I got that and I'm probably singing bye-bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture of you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs, on the day we fell in love.